Working remotely? Here's the basics on keeping your company data safe. Here are 4 of the most important things your company must do to minimize the risk of receiving a cyber attack. These are easy implementations and will help defend your business from catastrophic cybersecurity threats. Tip 4, application restrictions for devices. Remote workers use laptops, smartphones, and tablets that contain important company data and information. All of these mobile devices are security risks. Your company should implement a very strict corporate policy on device utilization so remote workers understand what they can and, more importantly, cannot do when using those devices and that data. For example, certain websites and online tools should be restricted. If there are 10 applications that remote workers need access to, then only those 10 applications should be available on a corporate device. If your company has employees who have remote access to sensitive company data and you suspect that your system is not as secure as it should be, contact RAM Communications today. We will help you discover where potential vulnerabilities are and how to best resolve them. At RAM, we provide cybersecurity solutions that protect our clients. We look forward to doing the same for you.